Hey! Hey, man! Wake up! Hey! I said wake up! Wake up! Ugh, god dang it. Alright, gotta jump over there, I guess. Yeet. Hey, gorgeous, wake up! Hey, I said wake up! Hey, gorgeous. Oh no, not you again. Yes, me again. Oh, no. I already had to deal with you one time. Why are you back all of a sudden? Because the fans wanted me back. Have you not seen all the likes that you got and views on the last video I was on? Yeah, but that was like a week ago or something. It was like a week ago. And I don't know how that video got so much likes. It wasn't even that good, honestly. That's not what the fans thought. Okay, you know what? I don't have to sit here and take this. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm going. No! Come back! The fans, they love me! Well, I sure as hell don't love you! No! Come back! Please! Please, I'll be good. Just come back, please! Come back and love me! Shut up! Well, I guess I made another one run off. Oh well. At least I have his chair all to myself now, like I wanted.